Hi, in this video I will unpack the Fractal design ion type power supply. This is the 850 watt and 80 plus gold model. A lot of information can be read on the box, with some illustrative illustrations. The packaging is simple but protects the device properly. The power cable is of adequate, average quality. The manufacturer included 4 black screws for attachment and a couple of cable ties with a tear-off lock. The latter is very practical, and it is commendable that it is not a simple quick-release tie. The user manual is special with the illustrations that are usual from the manufacturer. The power supply does not come in any other design bag. Opening it reveals the huge 140mm fan. The design of the power supply is extremely attractive and clean. The cables did not come in a bag either, but only in a simple bag. In this category, I would have been happy with a bag. Every conceivable cable can be found here, except for the new NVIDIA 12-volt connector, since this power supply does not support this connection. I selected the cables that I will need for the assembly. Here, I would like to note that I really did not like the 24-pin power cable because it is stiff and difficult to handle during assembly. The connectors are suitable. Connecting the cables is easy, but if you are not sure about the assembly, you can get detailed information about this in the instructions. I will install this power supply in a Fractal design torrent case. This case has a top-fed design. This means that the power supply is more tested, since it does not directly suck in outside air, but air heated by the components. Based on tests, the power supply provides exceptionally quiet, stable operation, and I did not feel it warm to the touch. Overall, I can recommend this device in its price range.